It's official our second full day now here in Bangkok, and currently it's 8 a.m. We are early today because our activity for this tour, guys, for today is we will be having our day trip in Pattaya. Originally, guys, actually our plan for this is magsistay sana kami ng overnight. But since there are only few spots to visit in Pattaya, so we decided na um, mag day trip na lang doon sa Pattaya. And for this tour also today, guys, originally also we plan to DIY it. Pero, my gosh, we are in need of time. So, para to minimize the wastage of the time, guys. So, we decided na mag-semi DIY na lang tayo for this trip. So, yung ginawa ko is nakahanap ako ng car rental here in Bangkok that will drive us all through the Pattaya and then will tour us around in Pattaya. Tapos, balik na din dito sa Bangkok. So, day trip lang siya. No? So, samahan niyo kami as we explore Pattaya on our second part of Thailand vlog. So, ayan na yung van natin. Naghintay na siya. Ayan. Lina. Oh, is that for us?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh! Oh! Ate, ito pa ba siya?
Nine freeze na.
Oh!
Cheeria.
Pak!
Mas nampag free.
Sabakot, sabait.
Kayo.
Guys, na ay lights ang door.
Ay, sige.
Perfect.
Ay, si Ma'am Jom.
Guys, sabi ilaw yung van natin. Sabi ilaw. Okay. And after 2 hours of drive, we have reached Sanctuary of Truth, guys. So, konti lang yung itinerary natin for this day trip here in Pattaya. So, yung ating first agenda is Sanctuary of Truth. Kanina pala, guys, dinaan pala tayo niya sa souvenir. Pero since this is a customized DIY trip, kinuha namin siya privately. So, binigyan ko siya ng new itinerary, which is swak lang sa ating pupuntahan today. So, yun na nga. First is Sanctuary of Truth. We purchased the ticket here in Klook for 850 pesos. Ito yung entrance fee nila dito, guys. Kung dito ka magpo-purchase, 800 baht yung adult. That is around nasa 950 pesos or almost 1,000. But for the Klook, makukuha mo lang siya, guys, for 850 pesos. So, it's a way cheaper doon sa Klook. Bear in mind, guys, na bawal yung mga revealing clothes dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. Anyway, almost entirety lahat ng mga temples, bawal yung mga revealing clothes. Tapos dito sa Sanctuary of Truth, tinatanggal yung microphone natin. Kasi bawal daw yung microphone. And then, bawal magdala ng tubig, bawal yung big cameras, tsaka bawal din yung drone. So, the Sanctuary of Truth, guys, is a very unique structure here in Pattaya because the temple was built entirely without the use of nails, no? So, napaka-interesting niya, guys, kung paano siya na-build without the use of nails. Yan na yung Sanctuary of Truth, guys. Nasa gilid pala siya ng dagat. Ayan, so, meron tayong sariling queue time. So, may binigay sa atin na time kung kailan tayo magsa-start ng tour. So, let's just have to wait here before our time comes. Guys, merong guide na nag-explain sa atin in English. Then, by time frame, kung anong oras yung language ng tour guide. The tour will run at 45 to 1 hour, guys. So, may guide tayo sa baba that will run for almost an hour. After the guide, we will spend our own until 6 p.m. Merong 67 stairs pababa. So, medyo mahaba ang stairs, guys. Thank you. So, we need to wear a helmet, guys. Yes, need tayo magsuot ng helmet kasi wala daw siyang wood, ay wala siyang nail. For our safety also.
Ingredients of the creation of all the wood sculpture before it's not installed, brought inside outside the museum. And that's what I want for this museum. Museum was built in 1980. Now together. Let's move on with the example that's quickly for you. Listen here, please.
So the entirety of the museum is all single lanes of made. Pero parang meron silang ginagawang mechanism guys na nag-attach na to wood to create some masterpiece like this. No? So amazing sanctuary. Tapos na yung ano guys, tapos na yung orientation ng ride natin. So we were given the rest of the time na mag-picture taking sa spa. Pag Sanctuary of Truth pala guys, sumikat na dito na ano, spa because this is where Catriona Gray shoot the ano, yung parang introduction sa Miss Universe. So it's really iconic for us Filipino itong Sanctuary of Truth. Yung rental pala ng van namin guys, for day trip tayo sa Pattaya is just only 4,000 baht for the entire van. Tapos guys, may free na siya na chichirya at saka tubig. Ang daming tubig doon. Then, that 4,000 baht is nasa duration siya ng 10 hours lang. So, if mag-exceed ka ng 10 hours is meron kang babayaran na 300 baht per hour. So, by 3 p.m. So, since 8 tayo nag-start. So, by mga 3 p.m. siguro or 4, we need to head back to Bangkok para makarating tayo doon by 6 p.m. at makuha natin yung 10 hours. Okay. So, after Sanctuary, town na tayo. Lunchtime na because we are so hungry. Ayan, so ito yung isa sa mga requested ni Cristel na puntahan daw natin. Itong Neo boat noodle na restaurant. This is Cristel's recommend. Guys, Michelin rated restaurant pala to, 2025 and 2026. Wow. Kaya pala, perfect. So let's try this. My God, ang taas ang expectation ko. Ayun. Ito yung meal nila guys. May wagyu guys. May wagyu beef noodle. So price ranges, may 259, may 100 baht. And Neon Boat Noodle. The name of the restaurant is Neon Boat Noodle guys. Guys, ito I ordered a wagyu. And 5 pieces chicken. This one is 260 baht. And 140 baht. Okay guys. We're done eating. Cristel, how do you find it?
I'm gonna give it 7 over
7.
10.
Henry?
10 over 10.
Oh, 10 over. Very generous. Lavem?
Yes.
What is your
Ay, doon kayo sa kuab.
What is your rating for the food here?
It's fine.
5 over 10. Iba talagang taste na. Iba talagang taste natin kay Lavem. For me, I guess it's 8 over 10.
Oh, 4 over 5.
Okay na din. Pasok na siya. Okay guys, we're done eating. So, as per observation guys, mostly sa kanilang payment guys, they still accept cash. No, dito sa, in Pattaya at saka in Bangkok. Then, some of the stores also, mga malls, nag-accept sila ng cards. Sa mga small stores naman guys, is cash in accept. However, some of the stores here in Pattaya and in Bangkok, pag gagamit ka ng card as a form of payment is meron silang charge na 3%. No? Parang ano siya, parang naging regular din nila sa kanila. Parang hindi siya bago for Thailand. So after this is we will be going to the signage to Pattaya City. Tapos sa signage is we will be going to the biggest 7-Eleven here in Pattaya or in Thailand I think. Then before heading back to Bangkok. 15 to 20 minutes from our lunch area guys. Nakarating na tayo dito sa next spot. Ito yung parang may signage na welcome to Pattaya City. And it has an overlooking view of overlooking view of Pattaya. Wow. So it has an overlooking view of Pattaya City guys. Overlooking the sea view and the skyline of Pattaya. So dito guys makikita yung skyscraper na Pattaya. Actually yan, parang may signage yan na Pattaya. Pero hindi natin siya makikita rito kasi sa likod tayo. Yan. Uy, Ed! Manguli pa ta! We're done here guys. Sandali lang tayo, no? Just looking the amazing view of the beach line of Pattaya. So next is let's head to the biggest, the largest 7-Eleven here in Pattaya. We're here guys, the largest 7-Eleven in Pattaya. Yeah. Para pala siyang ano guys, para pala siyang bangka. Ayun o, bangka yung forma. 7-Eleven Pattaya. Corrected guys, hindi pala ito yung pinaka-largest sa Pattaya. Not just also largest in Thailand, but the largest 7-Eleven in the world. So here's what we're gonna be expecting with the largest 7-Eleven in the world. Guys, may silang mga desserts dito. Pa yung desserts, naka-pack talaga siya. Well prepared. Tsaka may Dubai Chewy Chocolate chorizo. Yeah, may Dubai Chewy Chocolate. Let's try that. Merong second floor guys. Para siyang cafe. The breads guys. Kaya lang pala nakakita na may mga ditong klaseng bread na sinaserve sa 7-Eleven. Gusto yung ganyan sa bread talk ng mga ganito. Ang daming mga masasarap na dessert. Oh. Actually, di ko pa siya natikman. We'll try this. Pero mukhang masasarap. This has been my personal favorite snack here in Thailand. Oh my gosh, I love this. Guys, ito yung portion ng mga DIY meal. Ay, drinks. Oh my god. You may either get one from here. Tapos, get nyo yung parang modifier dito sa baba. Ice. Good morning guys! It's officially our third full day here in Thailand. But basically, bumatay kami ng Sunday and it's Wednesday. So far, pang 4 days na namin siya. Pero pang third day pala namin if we're talking about full day. So yung gagawin natin ngayon guys is mag-mall hopping tayo. I mean magsha-shopping tayo. Because this day is dedicated for shopping only. So since malapit yung ating area dito sa Platinum area tayo, una natin bibisitahin guys Platinum Fashion Mall. Actually nauna na sila na iwan ako kasi tagal ako nakagising today. So Platinum Fashion Mall tayo, tapos December's, then Big C, then Tofu Skincare. Actually those area guys is magkalapit lang sila dito sa Platinum. So lalakarin na natin yan. Mamimili tayo kung anong mabibili natin within those stores, no? So join us as we explore our third full day here in Bangkok. Walking distance lang yung Platinum Fashion Mall guys. However, hindi tayo maglalakad kasi late na tayo. Ito yung situation namin everyday sa harap ng accommodation. Maraming tao guys kasi traffic masyado. Bilis guys, mga nasa 10 minutes lang siya. No, so nasa Platinum Mall na tayo. Guys, first budol natin is 100 Thai baht. Ayan, oh. Puro ito pasabay guys. So, nakaspend tayo doon ng almost 6,000 pesos. Dito lang yan guys sa baba sa gilid ng Platinum Mall Fashion. So marami na dito mga stores. So, saka nakahilera lahat ng mga 100 Thai baht siya. And for the record, walang VAT refund ang 100 Thai baht. So, bear that in mind. Okay? Ayan. So wala pang kain ang mga girl lalo natin. Next, nandito na naman po tayo sa Tofu Skincare. Nandito tayo on the first day. Dito na naman tayo on the third day. So may mga pasabay tayo dito. Ito yung nabili natin. Puro pasabay lang din yan, ha? Pasabay lang din lahat. So dito tayo sa Tofu Skincare. Yung Tufu Skincare guys, skincare heaven talaga siya. So if you love skincare guys, you will really love this place. No? So it's a 3-story building and I would say mas mura dito guys. Mas mura dito compared sa 100 baht store. So if you are looking for a mga pasalubong, then you can have it here, or mga skincare product. Here sa December's guys. Sa December's katabi lang siya ng Platinum Mall. So may pinamili ko is Radyo Marie. Then after here is magbibig C na tayo. Nasa baba lang yung big C na December's. Konting lakad lang. No? So, malapit at lugar yung shops dito sa Katanang area. We're here at the Phoenix Mall guys. Nasa loob. Basta sa gilid lang siya ng December's Mall. Ano sa loob ng Phoenix Mall is may Big C. Ayun, nakikita ko na siya. So, this will be our last stop, I think, before we head back to the hotel para mag-iwan sa mga gamit. Sa dami nung pinamili, guys. Yan yung Big C. Isa din ito sa mga, guys, sa mga shopping store na makakabili na tayo ng mga mura ng mga pasalubong. Well, let's check later kung ano ba siya kamura. And for the record, ito na yung mga pinamili namin guys. Kaya bumili si Radyo Marie ng bagong maleta pa sa mga gamit. At saka yan, dami. Tapos na tayo nag-shop sa Big C, si Ma'am. Hindi ko na masyado na-vlog sa loob guys, pero carry lang yung mga prices nila. Ito pala yung mga nabili ko sa Big C. Ayan, lahat ito. Coffee from Big C. Ayan. I also have cappuccino coffee. Lahat. Ito. Nasa 1,000 baht ito lahat guys. Some of the items here, products here are pasabay ng ating mga friends. So after here is, nabalik po na kami ng accommodation to drop all the things kasi ang dami na guys, sasakit sa kamay. Then, lalabas naman tayo ulit para puntahan natin si Auntie Maids. So yun sa mga sikat na nagagawa ng coffee milk. Ang Thai milk tea dito. No? Ayan. Yan. So after natin nag Big C kanina guys, is mawait na tayo ng hot accommodation para mag-fix. And right now, is naka-change outfit na ulit tayo guys. Because today is, for tonight pala, yung activity natin is magdi-dinner cruise tayo sa Icon Siam. No, so I've been here in Bangkok before. I've never done this na mag-cruise, no, mag-dinner cruise. But tonight, we will be trying it for the very first time. So, mag-grab din naman po ulit tayo sa Icon Siam kasi doon yung ating pick-up point ng ating cruise. And na-book naman itong cruise, guys, for only 2,200 sa Klook. No? So, yung kinuha namin is yung orchid na cruise, something like that. So may ano siya, parang may complimentary drink as well as may dinner buffet. No, so we are so excited kung anong experience na naman ang ibibigay sa atin dito sa dinner cruise na ito. Sa Icon Siam na kami. So sa Pier 4 yung ating meet up point. So hanapin na natin yung Pier 4. Guys, dito na yung ating meet up point. So, ang daming tao. Chao Phraya Princess. So, yan yung sasakyan natin guys. May Chao Phraya Princess. Orchid ba yan? Guys, it's boarding already. So, VIP 1. The table is VIP 1. Naka-VIP 1 tayo guys.
Ay nga to, de?
Sa taas na.
Ayan guys! Nasa rooftop tayo! Kwenta na City Lights. Guys, sa pan-arrival, may binigay sila complimentary drink na ubos na natin. Water. Ayan. So, nasa VIP 1 tayo, guys. First, VIP seat. Guys, nakapila na tayo for buffet. Haba-haba din yung pinang sa daming tao. Ito yung food natin. The complimentary drink. Unlimited beer. Tom yum soup. And the main course.
Ui, tài lẽ.
Jumpy! Jumpy!
Wala ka niya dikuan! Wala na lagi na! Sabo!
Tapos na po ang ating river cruise. It ended at 10 p.m. So exactly 2 hours yung naging experience natin sa river cruise, guys. Well, in totality, it's a nice experience to have it there, guys. Most especially if kasama mo yung mga saraulong mong mga friends. Ayun, no, so maganda din siya, guys. I think maybe once in is enough to experience that kind of activity, no? Para naman, it's also a kind of touring all the spots, yung major spots dito sa Bangkok in one sitting sa cruise. Yeah. Guys, hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog kanina tsaka kagabi. So after pa rin namin nag White Orchid Cruise is umuwi na kami, balik na kami ng hotel. And kaya ng umaga pala is we had our free time sa mga kasamahan natin until check-out. And ngayon is I'm on my way to Suvarna Phumi International Airport. Nauna na sila kasi pinuntahan ako kanina. And ngayon, mag-isa tayong pupunta ng Suvarna Phumi. So magti-train tayo, kasi tayo lang mag-isa. Tsaka masyadong mahal yung Grab. Sa malapit na naman yung train station dito sa ating accommodation. Guys, we are now at the airport. So yung ating 9 packs na kasama, guys, is na check-in na for Philippine Airlines. So later pa tayo mag-check-in, guys, for Cebu Pacific kasi 1:30 AM pa yung flight natin. Guys, tapos na tayo sa passport control. Madali lang siya, guys. Ang bilis lang ng usad ng ating passport control. So right now is na going now to our boarding gate. Nasa F tayo. Punta muna tayo ng lounge, guys. Meron tayong access dito sa Miracle Lounge using our BDO JCB Platinum. Ang layo pa ng gate F1. Nasa mga 6 minutes pa nalakad from here. Or pasalubong. Pero ang mahal, 529. So bukas na ito may store. So kailangan makonsume agad. So ayan. So yung airline lounge is nasa baba siya. Ayan, may naka-escalator. So dito tayo bababa. Ito na, guys, yung Miracle Lounge. So nasa ano pala siya? Sa may concourse D1 and D8. Wow, guys, this is the most elegant lounge I've ever had. Oh. Ganda ng seats. Very pretty. We're done with the lounge, guys. So, papunta na tayo ng gate F2 kasi hindi matingnan yung ating aircraft. So, our flight will be A320 Neo. So, maliit siya ng aircraft. So, sige lang. Yan. So, maybe sa flight baka magulong na tayo the whole day. The whole flight. Kasi red eye kasi ito. So, see you in Manila in a while. Guys, nasa domestic flight na tayo. And welcome back to Manila, Philippines. So I guess, guys, para dito na mag-end yung ating trip sa Bangkok, sa Thailand. That comprises our very fun, very engaging, and very well-done trip sa Bangkok. But we still have one trip left, guys, for the first half of the year. So magta-tayo ng islands. So that's all for this Bangkok vlog. I hope you have learned something from our video. See you soon again on our next travel. Bye!